Even when science says differently, how can we believe God still exists? Honestly, that's a good question. And in order to find the answer out for that, we're going to have to break this down some. And I'm going to start off with something to get your brain into that thinking motion. It's a quote of mine, and it starts off like this. Do you believe in life? If you believe in life, then you should believe someone gave or created it. I mean, even if it was you, right? If you do not believe in life, meaning if you can prove your existence and this world does not exist, then by all means, you do not have to believe in God. Now, what that is saying is that, well, pretty much, we're not the ones calling the shots. I mean, we're not the ones that created this stuff into motion. Whether it was us, whether it was science, I mean, none of it actually created. There has to have been someone else out there that created all of these methods. But let's break this down a little bit deeper. Okay, let's start with something kind of simple, the basics. We'll start with the planet, okay? Who created the planet? I mean, well, first, process of elimination, right? Let's see, did we create the planet? I don't think so, because in order for human beings to create the planet, it means we would have to be in space without a spacesuit, which means we would die. But let's just say, for the sake of argument, we did create the planet. Still, we still would not have the resources needed to get back into the planet without burning up. So it's clear to me that humanity did not create the world, yet alone the universe. And people will be like, well, that doesn't mean nothing, Josh. I mean, honestly speaking, God didn't create the universe. It was science. Well, then again, we're talking about the how, not the who. And honestly speaking, science, like Big Bang, evolution, those are all methods. So let's just say, for the sake of argument, God decided to create the universe with the method of Big Bang. And he decided to create life with the method of evolution. The bottom line is, did you create those methods? Did science create those methods? No. We discovered it. Just like we discovered everything else from buildings. I mean, we're not really creating buildings. We're just discovering different ways we can shape geometry, different ways we can utilize physics. We are learning how to produce in a world that is already filled with laws that we did not create, nor science. I'm going to say something else that will get you thinking, and it's only because I really do believe it actually helps prove that God, well, obviously has to exist. And that is this. Humanity has really never created a thing. Yeah. I mean, look around you. Cars, buildings, lawnmowers, fertilizers. I mean, it's not like we created that. We just discovered energy. We discovered it. We discovered different formulas, all these different equations, all these different knowledgeable things from science, biology, physics, every last thing you can think of. We've learned, we discovered, and we found out ways we can shape and bend these laws and rules that was already here before us, before life. So, process of elimination, right? Let's see. If humans didn't create the planet, who else did? Well, let's move on to science. Did science create the planets? No, I mean, science is pretty much us finding out more information. And information, which actually means science is discovery, not creation. So if science didn't create the universe or life, if biology didn't create universe or life, if physics didn't create universe or life, or even laws that are put into place, if humanity didn't do that, and I'm pretty sure we all know animals didn't, well, that kind of narrows it down to one possible reason. There must be a God somewhere.